Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your science teacher Imrana Tahir. Today we will start the chapter the particle model of matter. In this chapter we will read about the matter and we will know that matter is everything that has mass and occupies space. Matter वो चीज़ होती है जिसकी कोई mass हो और कुछ जगह ले. For example, a small dust particle is also a matter, and all the things that take space and have mass is called matter. In this chapter we will also read about that matter, what makes up matter, कि matter को क्या चीज़ बनाती है. Here you can see the picture of the two Greek philosopher. They have given the different concept about the matter. They think that matter is made up of the tiny discrete particles. It means that matter is made up of very, very small particles. These particles are too small to be seen. To elaborate the matter, different scientists have given the different concept. First, we will read about the concept of the Robert Brown, the Brownian motion. Here you can see the picture of the glass of water and the zigzag movement of the pollen grains. The Robert Brown take a glass of water and put some pollen grains over the water. You can see the movement of the pollen grains. The pollen grains particles are showing haphazard movement. Haphazard movement mean without any direction. These particles are moving here and there. Now the question is, what would have caused the pollen grains in the water to move about continuously in a random manner? In a random manner. After the 8-year Robert Brown observation, and other scientist Albert Einstein explained the random motion of the pollen grains in water. He said the motion of these particles was caused by the random motion of the water molecules. The next concept is about the diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion mean the movement of molecule from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. अगर हम बेटा रूम के किसी एक कॉर्नर पर परफ्यूम को स्प्रे करते हैं, विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम वी कैन फील द स्मेल, वी कैन फील द फ्रेगरेंस in all around the room. What is the reason? What is the phenomena? Diffusion is the process in which the perfume molecules are moved from higher concentration from the corner where we have sprayed and to the other corner of the room. This is called diffusion. The another example here you can see we have purple potassium magnate. We have put purple colored potassium magnate in water, टाइम ज़ीरो व्हेन वी पुट इट. 30 मिनट्स के बाद जब हमने उसको ऑब्ज़र्व किया तो वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो था वो उसमें डिज़ोल्व होना शुरू हुआ वाटर में. आफ्टर 24 आवर्स इट्स कलर बिकेम डार्क पर्पल पोटाशियम मैग्नेट. अब हुआ कि ये नाउ सी द फिनोमिना ऑफ द डिफ्यूजन. Potassium magnate color, you can see the small molecule of the potassium magnate. जब वो पानी में डाले गए तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उन्होंने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स के दरमियान जो स्पेसेस थी उसमें ख़ुद को एडजस्ट करना शुरू किया. एट द एंड आफ्टर द 24 आवर्स पर्पल कलर्ड पोटाशियम मैग्नेट मुकम्मल तौर पर डिफ्यूजन शो कर रहा है आफ्टर 24 आवर्स. Here you can see the another example of the diffusion. अब हमारे पास हमने दो गैस जार लेने हैं. One with bromine gas. You can see the bromine gas in a lower jar. Bromine gas contain the brown colored gas, brown fumes. इसके थोड़ा brown color होता है. and we put the gas jar cover over it, and then we inverted the and other गैस जार ओवर द गैस जार कवर, यानी कि हमने इस पे दरमियान में इसका कवर रख के हमने इसके ऊपर एक और गैस जार इन्वर्टेड रख दिया. वी हैव ब्रोमाइन गैस इन लोअर जार. फिर क्या हुआ, हमने डिफ्यूजन को टेस्ट करने के लिए वी रिमूव द गैस जार कवर बिटवीन दीज टू गैस जार. हमने इसमें से कवर रिमूव किया. थोड़ी देर बाद जब हमने ऑब्ज़र्व किया तो जो ब्राउन कलर की जो ब्रोमाइन गैस थी वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता डिफ्यूजन के ज़रिए ऊपर वाले गैस जार में भी ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है. यू कैन सी द कलर डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू जार्स. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. डिफ्यूजन, यहाँ पर डिफ्यूजन का फिनोमेना बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया. डिफ्यूजन मीन द मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ हायर कंसनट्रेशन to the region of lower concentration. Our next topic is the particle model for solids, liquid and gases. Matter can exist in 3 states. ये आपने 6th क्लास में भी पढ़ा था, इससे पहले भी आप लोगों ने पढ़ा हुआ है कि matter exist in 3 physical states: solid, liquid and gases. Here you can see the table. Here we can give the comparison between the physical properties of solid, liquid and gases. First we will explain the solid. In solid, here you can see the example 6.11 solid. So in solid the molecules are arranged very regular pattern, compact pattern, आपस में बहुत ज़्यादा करीब होते हैं. They have fixed position and they have very strong attractive forces. आपने देखा होगा कि solid example, you can see example 6.11. Here the particles are very close to each other and very compact structure. You can see these particles show vibration. ये भी move करते हैं but their position is fixed. ये अपनी ही जगह पर they can move side by side and spin about their fixed positions. They can move on their fixed position but cannot move past one another. ये एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करके नहीं जा सकते. That's why we say the solid have definite shape and volume and solid can't flow, unable to flow. Solid flow नहीं कर पाते. इसी वजह से यही वजह है कि solid में molecules are very close to each other and they possess very strong forces that place them in a fixed position. The next example is liquid. Here you can see the 6.12 example of liquid. In liquids the particles are not arranged in a regular pattern. You can see here, yeah, this is not a regular pattern. They are not as closely packed as those in solid. Solid में तो particles बहुत ज़्यादा close थे but in liquid the particles are not closely packed to each other and the particles vibrate but do not have fixed position. ये थोड़ी थोड़ी vibration भी show करते हैं. They can move around one another. That's why liquid can flow. इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि liquid जिस तरह water है we can put it in one container and we can put it in another container. हम किसी भी कंटेनर को, किसी भी शेप के कंटेनर को लिक्विड से फिल कर सकते हैं. And in liquid liquid have the strong attractive forces but the liquid in solid the forces are more strong than liquid. That's why we say that liquids have definite volume बट कैन नॉट बी कंप्रेस्ड. हम लिक्विड को कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. आप देखिए ग्लास में जितनी उसकी कैपेसिटी हम उतना ही उसमें पानी फिल कर सकते हैं. हम उसको कंप्रेस मज़ीद करके उसमें और लिक्विड नहीं फिल कर सकते. Here you can see the example of the gases. In the gases the particles are widely spaced. They move freely and random in all direction. They have sometimes they have very low or sometimes they don't have any force of attraction between them. And gases has widely spaced and not held by any strong force of attraction.